Hi everyone, is my microphone on? Yep. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to this what is going to be a very short site review of Whitefeathers. So it's near Badby. Badby is a village near Daventry, not too far away from home for us. Look at these views, absolutely incredible. So we've booked 4 nights here. We actually only have 1 more night left, but just absolutely amazing views. We've got this, which I would say is the best pitch. We're right in the corner, and we have horses, which if I don't get to see them at the moment, then I will overlay some clips or maybe play some clips from our stay here. But just there's a church in the background that rings its bells in the evening. And yeah, just absolutely glorious views. So I'm going to take you for a short walk. There's not really too much to see. They do have a couple of facilities that I just want to show you. We have both cars with us this weekend, or long weekend as well, again just because we're closer to home. And in fairness, for Wednesday night and Thursday night we were able to put the cars away from the van, but because it's the weekend, a few more people have turned up. So you can pretty much go wherever you like. Electric, by the way, is 16 amp, which is perfect. This pitch here I really like as well because you've got all of this space out to the side. There are some more caravans you'll notice in here, but that's not part of the same property. I believe it's part of the same family, but it's nothing to do with this caravan and camping site. And by the way, this is our first stay at a caravan and camping site. So I'm going to walk you out to the entrance and then I'll come back and just show you the facilities that they have on the site. The other thing, and I will do a very short end of stay review, but the other thing I just wanted to mention is that when you look on Google Maps on Street View, it does look like it's quite tight to get into. And I come and checked before we brought the caravan up here and it's dead easy. It's really easy. It's very, very close to the A361, which I think I'm not making this up, it's the longest road in the country. And yeah, this particular part here is sort of between Daventry and Banbury, so it's easily accessible for most. It's an area that I'd say doesn't necessarily have loads to do, but it's a very nice area in terms of countryside. And then of course it would make a great stopover if you're travelling from north to south. So I think this road is called Bunkers Hill, and if you can just see where that red car's coming from down there, basically that is the main road. And then just down through there you've got one of the entrances to the village of Badby. Now that is a proper busy A road and it's very, very close. You can see hopefully the speed sign there. You cannot hear it from the site. The site is so peaceful. It's really, really nice. So yeah, that's one of the entrances to the village. There's a pub in the village called the Malsters, which is nice. And by the way, if any of you used to watch First Dates or watch First Dates, Merlin from First Dates used to own it. And yeah, we've been in there a number of times when he's been in there and serving. And then also past there is another village called Newnham, and we went down there for a meal the other night at Maria's Kitchen, which is a Portuguese in a pub, and yeah, that was very nice as well. So yeah, you have to turn into here, which is absolutely fine, and then turn left, and that's absolutely fine as well. Yeah, nice little grassed area here. They've got sort of sporadic rocks placed as well, but this is where I bring Reggie up. It's been super hot. I think this video is going to go out next weekend, but today, because I've got my England top on, is the day of the England-Panama game, so that's the weekend that I'm filming. And I've been singing one line on a shirt. Don't know why, I've only got one. But yeah, so it's been super hot and not wanting to walk Reggie too far, that's been perfect in there. However, you've got rolling countryside. There's Badby Woods, Everton Woods, some really nice places to go for walks with the dog. And you've got your bins just down there. Yeah, in terms of those two places I just mentioned, the woods, they're actually probably quite good places to walk the dogs in the day in the summer because they're very shaded. So it would be quite cool down there and not too hot on their paws. So we haven't used the facilities, there's no need, we're using our own. However, they have got a shower here, which, just open the curtain actually. There you go, so that's £1 to use, and you just put your coin in there. And then they also have a toilet as well. You've got your chemical waste and your wastewater point down the side. You've got your fresh drinking water here, and then you've got an outside washing up area. Now this is only cold water, but you know, for just washing up a few of the bit more stubborn bits, it is adequate. So yeah, I think some of the caravans here might be sighted for a little bit longer than just this weekend, but all of us down here, we've actually been here longer than any of the 4 down the bottom. It's quite a nice pitch. They've got a lot of space actually to the side, but if you come here, ask for this corner pitch. Honestly, any of them are fine. You see, like, they've got pretty much exactly the same views, and actually in this weather that caravan has probably got the most shade under that big tree, and these guys have probably got the most space. But just being in that corner, I'll just walk you around our pitch now, but because it's been so hot, the horses are down the bottom of the field and they tend to stay down there until it cools off, and then they come up for food and drink, and it's lovely. They're just around you, it's lovely. Like Sara said, it's a bit like being in the New Forest. So obviously we're not fully serviced, 16 amp as I mentioned, electric, and then it's kind of raised here to make it flat, and I think that was from the previous usage of this. I think there used to be maybe some pens, but even though you are in this sort of spectacular valley, the pitch is, and I can't speak for all of them, but certainly ours is level, and we haven't had to use a leveling block, which is one less hassle. But yeah, so I'll see if I can zoom in. But down the bottom here are the horses. I think there's about 5 or 6, and they tend to stay down there for now, and then they'll come up here. There is a little black and white cat that comes up with them as well, which just looks like a mini horse. And then they spend most of the evening just either around here or around here, and it's really lovely, and you can sort of yeah, just kind of get on with your life. They get on with theirs side by side, which is great. There's a lot of cows up in the top field as well. When I was talking to the owner, he said you've also got badger, fox, red kite, deer occasionally. So, you know, it's just a lovely place to just sit out and just watch the wildlife. A little bit later in the evening as well, you tend to get some more horses come into these, and it's just really, they're peaceful animals, so it's just nice to be around them. Definitely could have, if I just head back, definitely could have moved further back. So we've got loads of room here and could have gone over a fair bit. All I did when I first pulled up was laid the carpet down, because that's obviously how far the sun canopy comes out, and then I just moved the caravan up to the carpet. But we don't tend to spill out onto the grass, we tend to stick to the carpet, but there's definitely more room if you want it. And yeah, looks like, whether it's some children or not, they painted some rocks and put some rocks on here. But I actually think that's just a nice little feature, and I have used that. We cooked with the first barbecue, the smaller barbecue, we actually cooked on there. Reggie thinks I might as well give that a try. Are you a horse, Reg? Reg? Are you a horse?
Hello.
Hiya. Hello. Hiya. Hiya.
Hello.
You on guard, Reg? You ain't going anywhere, pal. Come on, come up here. Come up here. Good boy. It's a good boy. Are you okay, Ivy? Right. Okay, so you're joining me on our... You okay, Ives? No, she's alright. Ish. She's half lying. Half lying? I don't think she's lying. I don't think she's lying at all. She's half laughing, half crying. Maybe. So yeah, you're joining us on our pack-up day, and Sara's still in her pyjamas. Actually, so am I, which is why she's not on the camera. We had a bit of a late night because we watched the England-Panama game last night. It is windy and it's not cold, but it's certainly fresh, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's enjoyable. Hang on a second, I'm going to get Sara a microphone, so no, maybe not actually, with Ivy crying right in front of her. So, end of stay review, ease of getting to, as I mentioned, don't be put off by the Google Street View that you'll see if you search the site. It does look a little bit tight on there, but really it's not tight at all. It's absolutely fine. So the pitch, my advice would be, and obviously it's totally up to you, but is to ask for this corner pitch here. It is by far the best pitch on here, and the owners did say that a lot of people that return ask for this pitch. You've got obviously no one to the side and in front of you. You can go any way round you like if you have doors on the other side or you want to look out your front windows. This site, by the way, is open 12 months a year. They've got hard standing pitches, so yeah, we'll definitely come back in the winter and see what the views are like then. So the next thing on the list is the services. So we're not on a fully serviced pitch, and probably one of the few that we've been on that are not fully serviced since we've had Ivy, and we have been through a fair bit of water, but yeah, it's fine. I always like it when it's uphill to go and get the water with an empty barrel, and then downhill when you've got a full barrel. Facilities, cleanliness and quality, we haven't used the shower or the toilet. It's fairly pointless us doing that, but you know, it is a small sort of certified site, so or certificated. This is our first Caravan and Camping Club site, so I'm not actually sure what they stand for. And also, to be fair, I always thought that a CL site standard for, sorry, I always thought that a CL site stood for certified location, but apparently it's certificated location. But yeah, it's good that they've got them in there. We did just pop the camera in there. They looked absolutely fine to me, and I think you pay £1 to use the shower, which is fair enough. Things to do in the local area. So there's loads of walks you can walk. It's rolling countryside here. We are in the centre of England, so you know, there's plenty of stuff to go and do. And obviously, if you want to go a little bit further afield, you've got Banbury. You've also got, say, at Gaydon, you've got the National Motor Museum. I think that's what it's called. But yesterday we were out all day. We took Ivy swimming in the sort of late morning, early afternoon. And then we ended up at the pub. It's our sister-in-law's birthday, so we ended up at the pub. We went from one pub in Long Itchington to another. met up with some friends there, and still with the family. And then our neighbours Stefan and Sally were staying on that site that's attached to the pub. So I think at one point there was like 14 of us sat around the table, which was very enjoyable in the sunshine. And just while we're talking about that, if you've ever seen my Blue Lias video, the pub there now has radically changed, and there's such a good vibe there. They had a DJ, they had a barbecue on, and yeah, particularly in the nice weather, just sat on the canal, was absolutely gorgeous. Wi-Fi's been good, phone signal's been good for me on Vodafone. Sara struggled a little bit on O2. Dog facility friendliness, I haven't seen any dog waste bins as such, so we've just been putting that in the general waste bin. The site itself has got enough areas to you know, sort of walk around, you know, even if all the pitches are full, to let them go to the toilet. But again, you know, tons of countryside out there, and as I mentioned, you've got Badby Woods, Everton Stubbs earlier in the video, so yeah, plenty to do round here. The road noise, you may be able to hear it in the background. With the wind blowing this way, you can hear it a little bit, but as I said at the beginning, I'm shocked at how close we are to a main road, and yeah, it's just not a problem at all. Just going to turn you around. I will zoom in, but at the top here, there's some cows making their way across. It's such a nice area to just sit and watch what's happening. Dark skies, so yeah, pretty good to be fair. I mean, Daventry's not that far away, which is fairly light polluted, but the site itself is very dark. The only reason I didn't want to sit out here too late last night was just because our neighbours next door had their awning light on, and yeah, kind of just sort of not ruin the light, but it was then harder to see the stars. So I would say, yeah, it's good if you get you know, the sort of total darkness around you. Value for money, so we paid £25 a night, which includes electric. You know, I think in this day and age that's really cheap, really good value, and yeah, it's 100% a site that we will return to when we have things on, you know, sort of family events and that sort of stuff, and we want to stay local. There's not a huge amount of sites to choose from, and this would be one that we would use in the future. The owners are really, really friendly. I rocked up here on Wednesday without the caravan just to come and have a look at the access to make sure that everything was okay. They kind of come out, and we did the booking then and there. They've been very friendly, you know, they're not sort of, they don't come around and say hello, but when you see, you know, in terms of like intruding in your personal space, but when you see them, they stop, have a chat, very, very friendly. So yeah, would 100% recommend this place for a nice, quiet, peaceful break. And also as well, just said to Sara, we were sat out here sort of in the evenings and we're having a barbecue, and you know, this is exactly what we wanted for Ivy. We wanted her to be outside, enjoying the outside. We had horses here hoofing off. No, but just like, you know, it's been really peaceful when the wind's not blowing. You can hear them ripping the grass up and you know, just sort of moving around, and it's, yeah, it's just exactly what we wanted for her, is to be out here in the sticks just enjoying nature, I guess. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. We've got plenty of site reviews coming up. We're pretty much fully booked now till the end of August, and at that point we'll be making a decision on what we do in September, but come back for plenty more of them. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Bye, Reg. Bye.